All right, let's walk through this quadratic formula. That's what is over here. Great big formula. And the way that we start is we need to know that we've got it set equal to 0. So we're good there. And then we'll write down what our A, B, and C equals. A is 1, B is 2, and C is negative 99. It's in standard form. So once I have that, I want to find the discriminant. I'm going to put a big capital D for that because this is the discriminant. And so I can make this equation or this formula a lot simpler if I can just figure out what the discriminant is. Square root of the discriminant over 2a, it looks a lot simpler than this big thing right now. So I'm going to take all of that underneath there, the b squared minus 4ac. Okay, let's plug into that. B is 2, so 2 squared minus 4 times a times c is negative 99. All right, so I grabbed my calculator and I know that this is 400. And so I'm going to go ahead and take the square root of that because I see it here as the square root. The square root of the discriminant, the square root of 400 in this case. And when you do the square root of 400, it comes out nice and clean. It's 20. And so that tells us something really important. That tells us that we're going to get two real and rational solutions. Rational means that we're not going to have a square root in our answer. We're just going to get regular numbers, could be fractions, that's okay. But yeah, no square roots, no radical symbols in the answer, and nothing that's an imaginary or complex solution. All right, so let's do the quadratic formula. We know that it's negative b plus or minus square root of the discriminant over 2a. Okay, negative b. B was 2, so negative 2 plus or minus the square root of the discriminant we already know is 20 over 2 times a is 1, 2 times 1. Okay, this still looks kind of funny even though we're really close to our answer now. That plus or minus just means you're going to split it into two separate problems. We're going to write it first with a plus. So negative 2 plus 20 over 2 times 1 is just 2. Now let's write it with a minus sign. Negative 2 minus 20 over 2. Okay, separate, completely separate answers here. We're going to get two solutions to our problem. So 20 minus 2 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So one of my answers is that solution is 9. Negative 2 minus 20 is negative 22. Negative 22 divided by 2 is negative 11. So those are our two solutions, 9 and negative 11. I'm not going to put a parentheses because this is not a coordinate pair. These are both x values. You see here that it says x equals. These are the two solutions to our equation. I hope that helps. I'll see you in the next one.